for
Hello everyone, welcome to my other video. Today I will show you how to set up OpenVPN in Parrot operating system for HackTheBox Labs. By connecting this OpenVPN with your locally installed Parrot operating system, you will be able to practice your HackTheBox machines without any Conbox limited time. And of course, if you don't know how to install Parrot operating system HackTheBox edition virtually on your machine on VMware or any other platform, then you can please check out my first video. So today I will show you that I have already opened my machine. I have already signed in my account for HackTheBox, and let me show you first that what is the current IP of this system. As you can see, 192.168.48.129. okay, so first we need to download OpenVPN configurations files from the portal of HackTheBox. We will click on connect to HackTheBox. We will click here starting point. Let's say machine. Here you can see OpenVPN. We'll click here, and here we can select the server from where we can connect. Please always select those servers which are very close to you geographically. So I will select here Australia. Here we can select the protocol. UDP is not a reliable protocol, and there is some chance of data loss. We will use TCP because TCP is a reliable transmission control protocol for network where always handshakes would be made, and there is no data loss in TCP. We'll click on download VPN files. It is asking me to where to save these files. I will select local document. Let's check if the file has been downloaded. Yes. So we will type here. We need to open a VPN program with these configuration files. Sudo OpenVPN. Our configuration file name. We need to click enter. So let's say route has been added into this machine, and initialization sequence completed. All this data between these two networks is encrypted. Let's check now our IP. Yes, as you can see, we have connected this machine with our server. You can be sure by seeing here, and also we can check our IP. Now our IP is this 10.10.16.21 on 23 subnet. Okay, thank you very much.